Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. Consider the following statements regarding El Niño and La Niña. 1. El Niño and La Niña are opposite phases of a larger phenomenon called the Southern Oscillation. 2. During an El Niño event, the surface waters in the eastern tropical Pacific Ocean become warmer than normal. 3. La Niña leads to cooler than normal sea surface temperatures in the equatorial Pacific, enhancing monsoon activity in India. How many of the above statements are correct? A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. All 3. D. None. Answer is option C. Statement 1 is correct. El Niño and La Niña are opposite phases of the Southern Oscillation. It is referred as El Niño Southern Oscillation, ENSO. Statement 2 is correct. El Niño, a warming of the ocean surface, or above-average sea surface temperatures, SST, in the central and eastern tropical Pacific Ocean. Statement 3 is correct. La Niña, a cooling of the ocean surface, or below-average sea surface temperatures, SST, in the central and eastern tropical Pacific Ocean. El Niño reduces monsoon activity in India and La Niña enhances monsoon activity in India. Consider the following statements regarding the Public Accounts Committee, PAC. 1. The committee is constituted by Parliament each year for examination of accounts showing the appropriation of sums granted by Parliament for expenditure of Government of India. 2. The committee consists of 30 members elected by Lok Sabha every year from amongst its members. Which of the statements above are correct? A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2, D. Neither 1 nor 2. Answer is option A. Statement 1 is correct. The Committee on Public Accounts is constituted by Parliament each year for examination of accounts showing the appropriation of sums granted by Parliament for expenditure of Government of India, the annual finance accounts of Government of India, and such other accounts laid before Parliament as the committee may deem fit, such as accounts of autonomous and semi-autonomous bodies. Statement 2 is incorrect. The committee consists of not more than 22 members, comprising 15 members elected by Lok Sabha every year from amongst its members according to the principle of proportional representation by means of single transferable vote and not. Thank you.